Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to widen text box on the Squarespace. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open any browser you're using, then open the Squarespace website. So here for me, I already have it opened, and that's actually my account. Or let me just like refresh because I have to in the moment. So of course you can just go to one of my like here websites and try to like change or resize or within the text box. So let me just go here. I already have one here. So let's see an example. I would like in this section, I would like to resize or within this text box. So it's simply I would like to select the text box that you want. As you can see here, you can even edit on that. You can add a background. You can just let it as it is. You can even like change something. So let's say while places, no, like here nature, you can add whatever you want. So if you want actually to widen the text, all you need to do, just go select your text, and as you can see here, you can actually, despite of moving them around, you can actually like resize them. Wait, let me just grab them to where it was here. So you can just resize them by clicking on that. Then you can just keep here resizing. So as you can see here, the words are still the same, but it's actually getting resized. So of course, let me just make it bigger as it was, of course. And of course I can select all of that and make the heading, of course, bigger, smaller, like a paragraph or something, to actually make it easier to within the text or change or resize the text. So as you can see here, it's become like just in this place, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.